Hi everyone, this is Practice Formative of Chapter 4, question number 30. So a tennis team of 4 men and 4 women is to be selected from 6 men and 7 women. So we have 6 men and 7 women to choose from. Okay, when we choose out of the men, we got to choose 4. And out of the women, we got to choose 4 as well. All right, so we got to find the number of selections to form the team. So in this case, part A, 6 men, we choose 4, followed by 7 women, we choose 4. Let's get the answer from calculator. So 6 C4, followed by 7 women, we choose 4. So we have 525 ways to make our selection. 525. Part B, determine the number of formations of the team if 2 out of 7 women must be selected together or not selected at all. Okay, so the 2 special women must be in. 2 women must be in. Okay, particular woman must be in. Or 2 women are not in. All right. Now, so it's not affected the men. So the men is still 6 out of 6. We choose 4. Now the women. Since out of the 2 women, the special 2, the 2 particular women must be in. So we have the remaining of 5. Okay, we have the remaining of 5. Okay, 2 must be in. Remaining of 5. So out of this 5, we got to choose 2. So we take 5C2. The 2 women must be in. That will be 2C2, which is 1. You don't have to write that. So the selection will be 6C4 for the men and 5C2 for the women. Or, so same thing goes to the men, 6C4, but the 2 women are not in. So if the 2 women are not in, so remaining 5, we got to choose all 4 out of it. So followed by 5, we choose all 4 women. Okay, therefore, 6C4 times with 5C2. 5C2. Okay, that would be 150 ways for this. Or the 2 women are not in. So 6C4 times with 5C4. 75 ways to make the selection. So add these 2 together, we have 225 ways. All right, that's it for question number 30.